As a company that develops trading systems for all different types of traders, we often face questions of which style of trading is best. And people are looking for which direction they should go, swing trading or day trading. And they also wonder if they need a different trading strategy for both. Now, there are pros and cons of both styles, but one thing that they do have in common is that money management, how you manage your risk, will determine your success or your lack of trading success. You can certainly use the same strategy for both styles of trading, meaning how you determine your trading setups can be identical. But the problem occurs when there's just too much conflicting variables in regards to the trading setup. This is why discretionary trading can be pretty difficult. But as you progress in trading, you're going to start to learn many different things. You're going to learn price action, you're going to learn structure, chart patterns, and how to use the various trading indicators that are out there. Information overload occurs, and oftentimes you're going to see something on the chart that's not part of your trading plan, but you're going to include it in your trading analysis anyhow. And this can start the ball rolling towards a host of trading issues, including over trading, lack of consistency, and even reactive trading. Imagine that you're day trading on the lower time frames. You're now making decisions multiple times during one trading session. And if you're not disciplined to your trading plan, well, I think you can see where that's going to lead. But what about swing trading? Well, some traders forget that we are here to make money, not the trading action. Traders that take a swing trading approach can also run into issues, though. They can micromanage their trades. Fear of drawdown can lead them to get out of their trades too early. They'll just exit the trade because the trade's in profit, not because they have any objective reason to do so. So both styles of trading, they have their own set of issues as well as common ones. And all of this must be taken into account when choosing your approach. Now, day trading is a job. If you're looking for trading to take over as your main source of income, you have to understand that it's a job. You don't have a boss that's looking over your shoulder, but you have to be at your desk on time. You have to be a risk manager. You have to keep detailed trading records. And you're going to have multiple opportunities to make a trade during a session. And also, as the name implies, exit before end of day. This will not have you suffering from the anxiety while holding positions overnight. And if you are having anxiety about a trading position that you're in, you've probably done something wrong. And you have to keep an eye on your trading costs. Multiple trades per day also equals higher business costs. And if you include slippage on your trades, you can see how day trading can get expensive. And while commissions are just considered the cost of doing business, there is an actual cost, and if you take a loss, well, you lost on two fronts. And when some traders are asked why they want to trade, freedom is usually a factor. But what generally happens when they day trade is that they never end up with the freedom that they seek. Trading becomes their new job, and this entire day is now spent plugging away in front of their computer screens. And that's one of the reasons that all traders that are part of our Netpicks family, they're taught the power of quitting. And this is designed to have traders involved during a trading session, but with circuit breakers, so they're not attempting to trade when the markets are not moving. And if you've ever been into our trading room, you've no doubt heard the phrase, one and done. Well, that's the power of quitting in action. But home run trading. When you're day trading, you're looking to hit singles instead of letting trades run for days. Using lower time frames, for example, many day traders will look to take advantage of an impulse move and not stick through the corrective move. As a day trader, seeing a trade underwater, expecting it to come back, is account suicide. Swing trading, it's more relaxed. It's not as glamorous as its day trading cousin, but it's very popular, and it's a great way of taking advantage of the trading opportunities that markets present. Now, overtrading is not really much of a concern as day trading because generally higher time frames are used. On these higher time frames, trading setups take longer to mature, so being seduced by the flashing lights on your screen is not really something that happens. But you have to be patient. Since trading setups take time to mature, it can be tempting to see a trade that's not really there. Traders may run the risk of tweaking the trading plan to fit a forming price pattern into a trading setup. And like day trading, being consistent is vital, and tweaking due to boredom is just another route to failure. In action junkies, you don't need to apply. You have to understand and be clear on why you're trading. You have to have the ability to sit through pullbacks against your profits without knee-jerking yourself out of the trade. And it is hard to see your profits being erased, but markets move in waves, and you have to accept the occasional pullback against your trades. And we've seen it all at Netpicks. And one thing is certain, traders will constantly complain about seeing nice profits erased for a scratch. Now that's a whole different issue. You do have the risk of overnight gaps that will challenge your trades. You do have the risk of evening events that can shake the market overnight. You do have the risk of anxiety over holding trades without a watchful eye on the market. Humans in general, we're control freaks, and leaving trades running without someone minding the store can be a mental challenge. You have to understand the risks that's inherent with swing trading long before you place your first trade. Now, our hearts may opt for one or the other, but just as you must never trade with your heart, you can't decide with it either. So it's time for an honest assessment. Do you have time to day trade? Is it realistic that you can be at your computer for the start of the session? consistently? Do you have the ability to enter a swing trade, set your stops, and let it play out? Can you sleep at night with an open position? Can you set your profit targets and, barring any obvious price action against your position, let it play out? Do you have funds to day trade? Are you looking for income-producing trading or just a way to simply grow your nest egg? And are you comfortable with risk? So now that you have your answers in hand, what's your next step? Well, over the years, we've seen traders change their direction in this business. Maybe they started with swing trading, but they've done well enough that their day job is not really a necessity. So these same people would then head off and look at a day trading strategy that we offer, and they would set off on another journey. Traders have started day trading futures. They've added swing trading Forex or currency futures, and now they've been educated on the power of options trading. And our in-house options trading specialist helps them get on the right track to their new trading goals. And regardless of where a trader begins, Netpicks is alongside them as they mature and develop into a well-rounded trader. Change, it's inevitable, both in the markets and in us as a trader. Netpicks has always made it its mission to help guide the serious trader onto a track where their trading goals can be met. And in order to do so and to make it easy for a trader to transition, we've opened up now something we call the Netpicks Inner Circle. You get access to every single one of our trading systems: Counterpunch Trader, Advanced Success Mastery and Automation, Options Fast Track, Options Academy, Dynamic Swing Trader, Unlimited Owners Club, and more. You get exclusive access to brand new systems that we release: Weekly Options Express, the Spotlight Power Trader, the ETF Growth Investor, new Forex Daily Swing Trading Systems, and more that we release. We also have a private Inner Circle Facebook group. We have an Inner Circle's members only group. Twice a month, group question and answer calls, monthly newsletters, new educational content through the month, Netpicks coaching team training, live rooms, Facebook lives, and just a whole lot more. And we attack the Achilles heel of most traders: the psychological, the money management aspects of trading that are crucial to any trader's success. Risk management is key in swing trading and day trading, and we focus on that so that you learn from past mistakes and you just don't wipe out another account. The road to growing your account, it's never a straight line, but with our plans, our strategies, and our training, you will succeed as long as you are able to take the next trade. So swing or day trading, it doesn't matter. We are there with you every single step of the way. You don't ever have to choose.